believe that you can out with them and succeed in life. You are more than just educators, but you are the pillars and mothers of the learners of Ekuzwaneni Primary School. I remember this other time in grade 2, there was a learner who was bullied a lot because of her hair, and Mrs. Tanzi set us down as her learners and advised us that bullying is a serious offense, and since then, the level of bullying in this school has decreased. I also remember that there was my classmate who was absent in school for days, and Miss Londo advised him that if he wants to succeed in life, he will have to pull up his socks, be more serious, and do more. We will forever be grateful for your commitment and positive contribution at Ekuzwaneni Primary School. Thank you to our current educators and our principal, Mr. Nkandla, for giving us this opportunity today to pass our word of gratitude. We thank you, Mr. Nkandla. We foresee a bright future. I thank you all.